Hi, my name's Adam Flynn from Biggin and Scotch Real Estate here in the City of Knox. Thank you for your inquiry on this property. If you have any questions on this property or any of the properties we currently have on the market, please feel free to give me a call on 0423 694 755. Thank you for your inquiry and have a fantastic day.
In what's commonly known as one of Boronia's most prestigious streets is this beautiful abode, a must-see for anyone wanting only the highest levels of quality, low-maintenance living. Boasting a stunning formal lounge with feature fireplace and gorgeous Baltic pine floorboards, separate well-appointed kitchen adjoining the spacious meals area, separate family room, generous-sized bedrooms with built-in robes, full bathroom, second toilet, gas ducted heating, split system, air conditioning, lock-up garage, and the list goes on. If you enjoy entertaining, this fantastic property comes fully equipped with a huge covered outdoor entertaining area leading off from the family room. Close to all amenities including schools, shops, transport, restaurants, and surrounded by beautifully manicured gardens, this picturesque property is a must-see. Inspection, we assure you, won't disappoint.
At Biggin and Scott Knox, we deliver.